Hi everyone, I'm Samarth.
I'm Jyeshta.
I'm Pranav.
We are students from Excel Public School, Grade 7, and we're excited to share our project with you that has been close to our hearts, the Emoexporer kit.
So, why did we take on this project? Well, we noticed something important.
In rural areas, children lack access to the tools that cater their emotions and cultural needs.
That's right. The problem we are solving is the absence of culturally relevant sources for play therapy.
Here it is, our solution, the Emoexplorers kit.
This kit is more than just toys. It is a holistic approach to emotional well-being.
Inside, you'll find culturally resonant toys, expressive tools, a trauma tree for counselors, and even a tablet for recording the play sessions. Recording the play session is important in rural areas as it aids collaboration of rural school counselors with psychologists or therapists.
Different types of toys which are part of this kit are real-life toys, acting out aggressive toys, emotion expression toys, and creative expression facility.
Let's dive into the functionalities and what makes our kit special. Our culturally resonant toys create a familiar space for children.
Expressive tools like finger puppets help them to communicate their feelings.
The trauma tree assists counselor or teachers in understanding the root causes.
The tablet records sessions promoting collaboration and support.
Together, we believe the Emoexporer kit can make a difference in the emotional well-being of children in rural India.
We all have contributed equally to all the aspects of our project.
Thank you.